Hi, Rowan from Business Cut Through. At the heart of any successful business, you will find good leadership that ingrains effective communication strategies. Effective communication strategies can help foster great working relationships between all stakeholders, which in turn improves company morale and efficiency. But in saying that, communication is one of those business issues that is hardly ever agreed upon. Now, some people feel that they get enough, while others feel it's never enough. Now, in fact, it's in my top 3 business issues that I often get asked to address upon client engagement. So how can you ever win the communication dilemma? By having a clear communication strategy that is well documented, consistent, and meets the needs of all your stakeholders. So how do you meet the needs of all your stakeholders, I hear you ask? Simple, just ask them. Firstly, list out all your business stakeholders like your customers, your employees, your suppliers, your shareholders, and then map out all of your key information that you currently share or communicate to those groups. Now, secondly, you need to seek feedback from all those groups to see how effective your communication is in the form of your content, things like your volume, your frequency, and the medium. Is it email, text, or you're verbally giving it to them? This can be either done by using something like SurveyMonkey or meeting as a discussion group depending upon the group size and location. Now, I find it's best to have champions or leaders in your business to drive this communication project from the specific areas who deal with the particular stakeholder groups. Now, for example, the HR person would champion the employee stakeholder group, or the customer service manager would probably champion the customer stakeholder group. Now, depending upon the size of the company, you may choose to chunk this down into smaller groups to make it easy to implement. Now, once you have your feedback, it's time to redesign and implement your communication strategies back to your key stakeholder groups and fine-tune them where necessary. Now, this should have you winning the communication war and accelerating your business to success. If you want to learn more about communication and other great content, visit my website at www.businesscutthrough.com.au and subscribe to my video tips and newsletter.